So while she's over there smearing, I have taken chocolate fondant. I've added a little bit of cream color to it, and I've just kind of shimmied it into a little bit of a log.
Shimmy it.
Shimmy it. You know, just shimmy it.
Shimmy.
You know, if you need to shimmy all the way around. All right. So I want to take, and then right through the center. I'm doing the most simple way of doing this bear. I'm not going to have to add extra legs to it. I'm simply going to take a pair of scissors and come right up through the center here. Ow! Anyways, and then pull it apart, and then just begin to roll. Pull it out, roll it a little bit, pull it out, roll it a little bit. And if you've got one side that's a little bit thicker than the other, just come back and give it a little flip, all right? So that starts our bear right there. Quick and easy. A log, cut the middle of it, roll it. Don't have to put any legs on it, all right? So then we've got to give him some little pinches here because he's got to hang over that barrel, the inside lip there. All right. And so then I came back, so you can see the movement here now. Don't forget, bears do have this little tail.
He's cute.
Little tail right there. So you have to take a little bit of your fondant. I'm holding that on my hand there so that I don't lose my shape. I could actually hang him someplace too. And then I'm just gonna lay him down there, folks. He'll be fine. Trust me, he'll be fine. All right, so you take this little bitty fondant, because their tails are these little bitty things, all right? And you're just going to place it right back there. I think that's even too big for him, all right? And place it right there. So then how I got all of his hair is I started by just coming, let me clear this a little bit. I started by just coming in and doing this. All the way around. And I'm just basically just cutting in.
I've got a clay extruder. It has an attachment.
Yes,
this
it does.
attachment, and that makes rope. So I've just twisted it, and it came out, and then I just twist it, take my hands on opposite directions, and just twist, shimmy it. Yes, shimmy, the old shimmy.
Look at how beautiful that comes out.
Okay, it's gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm gonna just take a piece here, and we need to go from the top of the tent.
Because right now it looks
Right
like
about
your
there.
tent is in the snow.
Yes.
We'll fix that.
Well, that could happen.
Well, people do camp in the
Oh, yeah.
winter.
Right.
Absolutely.
Don't know why, but
Well, you know, they go up too late in the season and they get
Yeah.
caught.
That's why the people
Yeah,
in tent,
so-
their eyes are so wide.
Yeah.
It's freezing in here.
Yeah.
Hey, what happened?
Cool.
It was summer when we came up.
We'll just kind of put this here to finish that off. And then I guess I should get those little steakies.
She'll need a little steaky. So while
Little
she's looking
steakies.
for the little steaks, I'm going to show you how I actually got the hair effect. Oops, I came back with a little tiny pair of scissors, and then you just sit here and go like this and pull up. So you're cutting and you're pulling up. And you want to try to just keep it moving. You can go back over it. And you see he starts to get the hair effect. Right? And you're going to do that all over your bear. And so then once you have all of that done, you're going to take your little bear and you're going to move his little legs, and you're going to make sure you've got this part here, and you're going to give him a little bit of water, just a little bit of water, and we're going to raise the lid a little bit, so don't be afraid to. Remember, it's just easy enough to do. And then set him down, bring him up into there. And I actually have a toothpick through mine here to hold him into it. So I just went right through here, and after I had the toothpick in there, I simply started clipping more of the hair all the way around, all right? And then I came back because this bear is tearing this up. And so I came back and I made some really deep grooves through here where his claws would have gotten. Do it on both sides, all right? I split this and then just tore it apart. Moved it back, and then I came back with the same tool and I just did lines across it. almost as if it were teeth marks. Tearing it. All right, and you can do that on a couple areas of the lid, because he's down inside of there. He's tore it apart. And so this is how we got to this.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay?